everyone. As you all know that TJP has been helping you in your journey by providing you free guidance, resources and materials. And not only this, we have been conducting free mock interviews for the shortlisted candidates. So just to continue our journey ahead, we are finally rolling out our preparation course for IPMAT and CUET. Yes, you heard it right. The wait is finally over. Every student has to go through 3 stages before getting into their dream college: learn, practice, guidance. For your smooth learning, we will be providing you with recorded and live lectures. The motive behind the recorded lectures will be to build up your fundamental concepts with your own pace, while the motive behind the live lectures would be to build the student-teacher connect as well as to enhance your advanced learning.
And the next stage is practice. To ensure that you apply what you have learned, TJP will be providing you reliable and intensive practice materials in the form of physical books as well as sets of practice sheets. But what about your doubts? We will have 24/7 doubt solving assistance on our WhatsApp group, where our subject experts will clear all your doubts.
To ensure that you're continuing your journey in the right direction, TJP will be providing you mentorship from your seniors who had gone through the similar experiences, and they will solve all your queries.
All good? But wait, the show is not over here. At TJP, we always believe in taking a next step ahead to help you people.
We will be preparing you for the final show by providing PI prep workshops, mock interviews and profile building sessions. We at TJP believes that you should not prepare for the interviews after getting shortlisted, but you should be able to answer those questions from day one. And the next one is general knowledge session. To keep you guys up to date with the world, we will be having a regular GK session by Rajiv sir. But wait, these sessions won't be like the boring GK classes. In fact, these sessions will be interactive, involving quizzes and in-class discussions. And the last one, mental health session. The journey is a long one, but worth the wait. However, there are many moments where we feel low and cannot focus, be it a low mock scores or never-ending syllabus, or maybe some personal issues. TJP will be providing you a free one-to-one mental health counseling to all the students, irrespective if he is a TJP student or not.
How do we get started? To get started on this wonderful journey, book a free counseling session with a senior studying in your dream college today itself.
So what are you waiting for? The link is in the description. Go and book your free session now.